What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm at Standing Boy Creek State Park, just north of Columbus, Georgia, and today I'll be taking you along on a route reconnaissance of the Scrambled Dog uphill section, one of the trickiest trails here at Standing Boy Creek State Park, but completely doable if you pick the right lines and put power down at the right time. I hope you learned something in this video. I'm certainly going to have a lot of fun making it. If I sound out of breath, it's probably because I am. This is not an easy trail, but we'll get through it. Let's do this. Start my Wahoo. As you can tell, we're entering on the Lonely Hunter Trail. That's how you get to the Scrambled Dog. You can come from the downhill side, or as I am now, the uphill side. It's a bit easier to enter Scrambled Dog from this direction. Coming upon the trailhead now, we want to stay right. And here we are on Scrambled Dog. You'll notice starts off relatively easy, gets more difficult as we go. I plan on taking the true line through everything. You can cop out and go around some of these obstacles, but what's the fun in that? Should I hit this square rock? No. I like to stay wide through these turns, keep the legs moving, a little bit of momentum. Pick your line carefully with the front tire, super important on a climb like this with lots of obstacles that want to stop you dead. Catch your breath where you can. Here's the first real tricky part. You got multiple options for lines. I stay high and to the right, but you can stay low left if you'd like, whatever works for you. Now I know what you're thinking. That's not so bad. My dad used to do this on the way to and from school. Just keep those thoughts to yourself. There's still more to come. All right, this next section is the only one I will be putting my seat down on. Super important because once you make this left turn, there's a boulder right there, which wants to steal all your momentum. Leaving my seat down for a second to save my underside. Keep the legs spinning. Leaning back. Here's the trickiest turn on the entire segment. There it is. Get some speed here. I'm not out of breath. You are. I'm just panting from excitement since we're almost at the top. Home stretch now. Stay focused. And here it is. So that is that. Why they call it Scrambled Dog, I really don't know. The only dog that got scrambled was me. Nevertheless, thank you all so much for joining me on this route recon of the Scrambled Dog at Standing Boy Creek State Park in Columbus, Georgia. If you've got any suggestions for other routes or trails you'd like for me to recon, please drop some comments down below.